Hello, peeps. What's going on with my window? It keeps closing. Annoying. It's warm in here. Turn on the fan, maybe. That's better. Let's start with the run and see what we can do. Let's go. Do, 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 do. Rail sounds much fatter now. Damn it, I died. There is a I wish it had a little bit more variation. Just pull down the master volume a little bit. Can I buy another one? Okay. Should do double. If I can. Yeah, the sounds. I think the actual sound is good, but it needs some kind of variation, I think. Could just do it with the pitch stuff, I guess. Give it like just a tiny bit of variation. Get some bounces in there. Wonder, I would like to have Blizzard. Let's do one reroll. And there's no Blizzard there, but there is an Arcane Bolt. I'll pick that. Okay. This will greatly increase my output. So I'm not sure what we should do today. I just haven't been streaming for 2 days. I felt like I gotta get back on. We'll figure it out as we go. Brother has done some work on the sounds. They're punchier now. At the same time, they are. I mean, they're a little bit more likely to be annoying, just from that fact that they're punchier. Gotta do that, I think. Double, and then do we do a reroll for the hope of something? Yeah, we get this. Hey, Toddmopple. I'm good, I'm good. Ooh. One more. I need some kind of health on... No! Ah, crap. So, this version, gotta merge this with the one I've got here. Oh wait, what's that? Yeah. Stash that. Check this out. Rebase inventory on this, I think. Should give me the new stuff I had and the new sounds in this build. See how they want it. See if it works. So the thing I've done here is I've modified the ProcGen algorithm. So I've added this random walk thing to it. It gives the possibility of having things like what we have there in one of the setups, like things like that with a little thing in the center. Also move these around a little bit. Ow. I think I can do this, can I not? Get this down. Yeah. That also works on your end, I think, but let me know if it's still like a little bit too high. Yes, I want this. Wow, it's not going good. I suck at my own game, apparently. So I think, like, what the game needs is lots more spells. That might be the thing that we focus on today. I'm not 100% sure. We might do some other stuff. I have started working on some mock-ups for other areas. Here is, if this didn't crash, not this. Sure. Photoshop is not the greatest in the world. So yeah, some other types of walls, maybe some adding a little bit of things like props to the world. Maybe some new enemies. We just started like looking at how that could look. Thank you, Midnight. Or should I call you Muffins? There's a little bit more like glow on things here than there is in the actual game right now. And it feels a little bit like empty and, you know, barren. Which is fine at this point, but Mr. Muffins or Mrs. Muffins. What's this layout? Hey, thank you for the 11 bits, Anonymous. How ya doing? I could just get like I'm eating up all my money for no good reason, but this one is good and this one is good. This is a really small level, but it's not all bad. At least it comes early, so I wonder if there's gonna be later levels that are really difficult like this. Another bounce. Wait, that was the wrong one. This. I think I must tweak the algorithm. These levels are a little bit small, I think. I was thinking maybe we could start looking at how this game would control with a controller rather than keyboard and mouse. That could be interesting, actually. Let's just connect the controller and see. So I already have some stuff worked out with the movement. Already works. And I think you can like move around and you can dash and stuff. You can't shoot and you can't like aim with this, so I'm thinking we could just add the right stick and some other buttons somehow. But I wonder if I want to take this opportunity to switch to the new input system in Unity too. That wouldn't be bad. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. We're at the good like non-committal. Hey, thank you for the raid, BizMonster. What's up? How is your stream? Nice, nice. What you working on? We want to go to, I guess I don't know which. We want to go to the package manager. So I did this thing. So Unity has this in dark mode. This really bright like menu bar up here that kind of burns my eyes. So I modified my window manager to actually just have a toggle so you can forget about those. Prisma, hi, Hadouk. Oh, nice! You drew some beasties. Yeah, feel free to link it in the chat or something if you wanna spread it around a little bit. But the problem with doing this, I just moved the window out off the screen pretty much, is that I don't get the menu, but I don't use it a lot usually. Could have even just clicked here, I guess. Sign in to access your assets. I'm not signed in, apparently. Okay. Might have to restart or something. Yeah, I'm just moving it off like 44 pixels up, I think, or something. If it is compact, I move it 44 pixels up. I can do that with other windows too, like Fork if I wanted to, but it wouldn't quite work. But yeah, so I get double benefit because I got a little bit more vertical space and I don't have to wear sunglasses. Anyways, we want to add the Unity input system. This one. This is gonna break everything, and then we gotta redo it, but that's fine. Don't have a lot of buttons. The main reason for switching to the new Unity input system is it makes it easier to keep track of like multiple controllers. What's this here? This means that no input from... Yes. And like controllers normally in Unity have like their buttons switched around really crazily, depending on if you have like a PS4 controller or a what's it called, like a Xbox controller or a Nintendo Switch Pro controller or third party, so it gets a little bit annoying. Oh yeah, sure. Let's take a look. Game dev channel. Oh, these are these are really cool. Check this out. A little ratty, mousy dude. Ah, I called mousy even. It's Scorpion. Very good. Good. Unity just for some reason Unity doesn't appear here. I think. Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. Did I press a button I shouldn't have? If I did, I gotta restart this. Okay, so now I would guess I can't move, I can't shoot, I can't even move my mouse, so yeah, we're gonna have some kind of stuff coming in with this. Here we go. So now we just toggle that thing. Also get these weird things which I don't really know about. But yeah, this will be fine. This one, move it over, move this over. Okie dokie. Let's see here. So do I have? No, that's fine. So we have player controls here. I don't think we use this for anything. Nope. So let's rip this out and do something similar using the new Unity input system instead. Okay. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. But we want to create like a input asset. Don't we have like a system folder? Input actions, here we go. It is called input actions. Cool, so now we can start creating our maps. I don't remember exactly what these are, but let's call it like default action map. This action should be move, and we set it up to be like a value, and you can do it like vector 2 is good for me. Binding, listen, and then I do like touch the left stick on the gamepad, and then that should pass through the move value. We can also add another I think you got to do like a 2D vector composite in this case. Call this like keyboard or something, and then we can do like listen for up is W, down is gonna be S, A and D. Up, down, left, right. I think this works, but I'm not sure. Maybe set it up in some other way. So that's the first part. We auto save these, yes. And then we go to our player object and we add the player controls to it. And then input system. I think we can do find control, right? And then we give it like... No, that's not find control. Binding. Get... Am I gonna have to Google this? I don't remember how to do it. Like, I would like this to not be movies. Here we go. We want to do an input action, player input, create actions. What? I don't remember this, but I guess that's how we do it. Should I not be inheriting from this player input class instead then, and just... Hey, look at that. It's actually registering my key presses and stuff, so that's good. So then I guess I gotta have public player input, and then we do like player input dot something actions dot what is this? So I guess I can do this, and then I just do like move. And then in theory, I should be able to get that output in the console. I forgot one crucial thing. We need that too, so pick the right one, please. Let's actually rename this. Input, make it not public, say input equals get component try it again. it's still angry with me. So that is not giving me the value. This will. Look, beautiful, beautiful. Cool. So now we have that. Now we can start using this instead of the other stuff. So I will say, like, the player control should expose a movement vector too. I think I want to rename this to that. Call this movement instead. And then use that inside of, like, movement action. So instead of doing this, we will have to have a reference to our player controls. And it might make sense to have this as some kind of base class for everything that wants the controls. But for now, let's just do so now we can get the movement. Unfortunately, it's gonna be if I do just this, it's gonna be in the wrong format. So I actually want to change this around a little bit. Raw, return. I gotta do a getter. This we can now get somehow. So we just do controls dot movement. Then we can modify this movement here, and then in theory it looks like it's not working. I'm not sure why. Cannot move. I got 999 errors. Yeah, I forgot to change it, of course. Should we call it movement? There we go. Now we can move left and right, but not up and down for some reason. I did a boo-boo somehow. It's not... Hello, Kawa. I would have expected this to work. How to remove your Ethernet cable? There is a little tab on it you press in. There's this stick thing. What's that? We could also do like movement horizontal, movement vertical, and then like Google it, I guess. There's a thing that you can press on it. But how do they... Seems like they're using like move and then have exactly this set up here. Ah, I'm exporting the wrong... That should almost be an error, shouldn't it? There we go, now we can move again. And it works. And it's actually analog movement too. So I can move really slowly if I wanted to, or fast. And in any kind of direction I want. Cool. Very good. Let's add other stuff. Stick aim. Also, let's add. Let's keep this, and then this is gonna be also like a value that's a vector 2, and then we're gonna set it to listen for this. The right stick on the gamepad, and then that's gonna be it. We also need to add the mouse somehow. I think it should be pretty simple to do this. But I don't know how to... Virtual mouse? Is it not possible to get this? Maybe if I put it in the right... position. Here we go. And then we just add more actions for like the spells. Call it spell 1. Let's bind this to a couple of key presses. I wonder what the actual controls should be for this game. I guess spell 1 should be pressing in right trigger or left mouse button. Doesn't work that way, but I think we could do that's spell 1 or the actual key 1, I would say. 1 on the keyboard. So that's the default. Spell 1, duplicate it, spell 2, 3, and 4. We only have 4 spells for now. So this will be, I guess we just do left trigger. We do the button number 2. that's not 2. That's 2. And then we do right click. 2. We can set this at 3. 4. I think maybe we want like Q and F or something. 3 could be Q, so duplicate this. Q. 4 could be also F. So now we got like a lot of these. Then we want interact too. So let's add another one. Interact. That would be E on the keyboard. We'll also add a binding for the controller. My guess is gonna be A. What do you think? A? An alternative would be that we map the face buttons. No, you're gonna need... Yeah. Let's see. Also need to figure out these. So spell 4 will be the left trigger, I think. Or left shoulder. And this will be the left. No, right shoulder. Here we go. I want to flip those. So this one is the... What did I just rebind? What? Spell 3. There we go. And then we need a pause button too. Call this back or call this menu, I guess. Back button, and it's gonna be like keyboard escape. Or it could be that key. Start, apparently. Yeah. Good. That brings us to aiming. Aiming is using input.mouse position. We're gonna need to use player controls on enable. Controls equals input, no, get component, player controls, and then we should be able to use those if we had a similar thing for... This one would be a vector 2, I guess. Maybe target position. No, let's call it mouse position. I think we call it mouse aim. And stick aim. Gotta figure this out later. In this case, I think we can just give this value right back. So this one is probably possible to use straight out of the gate like this. And then the aim can just use this. And then this is done, except we also need to do the stick. So I was thinking if you press any button on the controller, it would switch to controller mode. Or if you press any button on the mouse, you would go to keyboard and mouse mode. But maybe it should be like if you touch the stick on the controller, because you could want to use the controller halfway and the mouse halfway. So you aim with the mouse and move and do stuff with the controller. So you split it. But that's maybe later. Okay, so let's see. I think this will work. Yep, still works. Cool. So then we have spells. We gonna fix the aiming with the stick too. Somehow. I'm not sure how, but we'll figure it out. The spells use input.get button. We'll do a very similar thing. Player controls, and then in controls is get component player controls. Then we can use that to get the spell state of each spell. The easiest way would be to do like public bool spell 1 or something, and then just do input actions like this. Even better would be maybe if I actually did like no, we don't have to optimize this. And then we can also do bool array, a getter, I don't remember how to do that in C sharp. C sharp. It's called an indexer property. I do something like this, except I don't necessarily want it to call it. We can do something like public bool. Not this spell. Can I do this? I don't know. We'll see. Get return. Yep. I know how those work. Get set. We don't need this setter though. So we just do like I don't want it to be like controls 1, 2, 3, 4. I want it to be So this it doesn't like. Ah. Kind of don't want to do this way. Whatever, let's do it. So more or less it will be I plus 1. That seems right to me. And then we just do controls dot spell, and then we just pass I plus 1. Roughly right. Then somewhere we have the check for interact. I need to change that to interact action. Instead of doing input this, we do controls. Just gotta add that to our player controls class. It should be very similar to one of these. Instead of spell 4, we'll say interact. We'll add one for menu. And then I think we're done. We might be missing something, but I'm not sure what that would be. Let's do these in some kind of nice order here so it looks nice and tidy. Stick aim. We're missing stick aim. I know what to do with stick aim. Let's do the same as movement. We'll call this stick aim. Stick aim. And then we want to get this raw value, and then we want to if raw magnitude is larger than 1, we want to do normalize on this, and then we set it up so that you can't like aim longer diagonally. But if it's lower than 1, then it's fine. That should be perfect. Sorry, I'm a little bit distracted by things off screen here. Why do you keep... Go away. I don't remember what we did. Interact, we set that up already. I think this is done. That controls does contain interact. And then we have like the pause menu or something. Settings menu, I think, uses something. Yep. Input get key down escape. We don't want that. We want what do we want? We want controls in here too. Now this one is worse because this one doesn't have an actual reference to this. So we got to do this public. It's not living on the same object. So let's just do controls.menu. Oh, and then this one actually will toggle it on and off every frame because we're not checking In this case, then we want to have a little bit more control. So we could do something like this: public bool was pressed, like menu was pressed, and then we keep track of this, whether or not menu was pressed last time. Other than that, we could also get the actual action. This is called like input action asset. Guess we could do this. Maybe it's easier. Or we could like hook to the thing. Let's think about this first. So we can do like input dot actions, and then we do our menu, for example, and then we can do like, was it started? Triggered when the action has been started. Triggered is a bool was triggered, had input action performed call this frame. I think we can use this maybe directly. I'm not sure, but I think that will work, and then we can use this directly. I'll do a similar thing with interact. But I'm not sure. Let's investigate. So our buddy, hey Rob. Yeah, I think I like. I've used it a little bit. I like it. Let's go to canvas. Let's go to settings menu. Apparently it's here maybe. Yep. Let's have this refer to this. So escape doesn't work. There seems to be some issue. Oh, this one. We need to change this. Replace. There we go. That's one. Can move. You can probably not buy stuff. Yeah, it's not bound to action, blah blah blah. Go away. And then escape doesn't work. What's this? Input action state. Okay, I guess we gotta revisit that part here. This triggered part. Should we call it something else, like Oh, Pine. I don't even know how to no, I think the right way to do this is this is the simple way to get these values. Like this is player controls. It's not like application controls. Interact is fine. Menu. I mean, we can read the value here if we wanted to, but in the case of like the menu, we will actually hook to not player controls, but we'll have public player input directly. Make sure we include this, and then we use this directly instead, I think, somewhere. So instead of like doing this in the update loop, we will do it here in the on enable. So do this. So we do like player input, and then we grab the actions, and then we grab menu, and then I think it's started is the thing, or performed. That is what happens after it's fully done. Yeah, that sounds good to me. And then we do like plus on menu pressed, and then we implement this. And this is where we will set, well, pretty much just do this. We're still getting a lot of errors like from stuff, so maybe there's things that we need to like replace here. We can walk around, we can press escape, but nothing happens. Maybe because we don't have that referenced in our thing. Would have expected there to be some error there. Ah, that's the error, I guess. We can do this now, toggle it on and off, new Unity system. And it should also work with the controller. Yep. You can't control the actual buttons yet. So that, I guess, is the next step. So this one will have to like if active, we want to select the restart button by default, and that means we have to have the input system or something, event system. I don't remember where this lives, but hopefully, yeah. I think we can do this. Don't like that? Oh. Maybe. Wait. So pressing escape will select this, and we can do enter to restart. We can press enter or go up and down, even reduce and increase the screen shake. This is all with the controller. And then okay, so our spells doesn't work. There's spell 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and it's like, oh, what's this? Oh, so this might happen after it's rebooted or something. That's strange. This we have to figure out. Yeah, okay. So we need to unsubscribe to this on Destroy too. That's the issue. Okay, that'll fix it, I think. Cannot read value of type Boolean from this. So that's not how you do it. Maybe it is triggered. Okay, move around, press. Forgot one thing. Not really using these. I'm using this. Mind Rage. How you doing? All good here. We're porting to oh, apparently we started without need like a rail thing, but we can't aim with that yet. So I guess we can buy this, and we can go here, and we should be able to press some button. It's not working. Why is it not? Oh, it is working. It's just a matter of not being able to aim now. Cool. Let's go to player aim. No, it's aim action. And then we need to figure out, like, first of all, the simple one is just aiming in a direction. So we just put the cursor around the player somehow, dependent on if you use the right stick. So let's check var stick aim equals controls dot stick aim. If stick aim magnitude is larger than some big value, then we set our mode to controller aim mode, or controller aim false. But as soon as we touch this, we turn that on, so controller aim is true. We do 2 vector 3 get controller aim target. Look at this. Feeling. And the control toggle will be like transform.position plus, and then we just get this control stick aim. And I think it's already transformed into a vector 3, right? Wait. Too many things open. So stick aim is already a... Yep, it's already correct. Multiplied by stick aim distance. Something like 4. And then we have a vector 3 mouse aim, get mouse aim target. And that is pretty much what we had here. So there's a couple of things that happens here that we need to move more or less. So here we would return the point. I don't think it can happen. So we just do like controller aim, we do call that function, get controller target, otherwise do get mouse aim target. There should be a way to get back. Like if we press the mouse button, I'm not sure how to do this. Let's start somewhere. Can we get like the... maybe we should have this like controller mode, like, and have this class update those. But if I specifically want something, we could do input.devices, I guess. I guess what we do is we add this to a specific like mouse click. Oh, it's recompiling. Oh, sorry. Struggling with the SAML integration via Docker. Okay. That's all right. What are you doing? Internal build system error. Oh, come on. Why do you do me like this, Unity? Oh, and then it crashed. Let's just kill it. keep waiting. What is going on here? Ugh. Is this why it crashed? Because I had this thing here? Or this has crashed. Hi, nothing is working now. Reopen. Here we go. How did I crash it this hard? Oh shit. Even weirder, I lost chat. It seems like OBS crashed. No? Well, I lost chat on OBS. Oh, and then I screwed this up too. Let's kill this. If we can get shit back. There's OBS, but I don't see chat. I can't click anything. Seems relatively dead. I might not see it if maybe try typing something in the chat if you're typing something. I can't. Yeah, I can see that you're typing, but it's broken. Belgium. So I have to restart the stream, I think. Crud. Okay. Let's see if we can fix this. I can't really tell what you're typing because it's like in 1 pixel tall font. Maybe if I get to press some button? No, the entire UI of Streamlabs is crashed. Okay. Stop there and see if we can get Unity to work again, and then I'm gonna toggle the stream on and off and see if that works. Yeah, I gotta close the stream down. Something is wrong with OBS here. Give me a sec. Okay, I can't even close it. The entire UI is